Auditing Standard SA 530 Part 1. Auditing Standard 530 applies when auditors use audit sampling to perform procedures. Audit sampling involves testing a subset of items within a population to draw conclusions about the entire population. The objective is to provide a reasonable basis for auditors to draw conclusions about the population, considering both sampling risk and non-sampling risk. SA 530 provides important definitions, such as population, sampling unit, and anomaly. It also distinguishes between statistical sampling, which involves random selection and probability theory, and non-statistical sampling, which lacks these characteristics. Sample design, size and selection of items for testing. When designing an audit sample, auditors must consider the purpose of the audit procedure and characteristics of the population. Sample size should be determined to reduce sampling risk to an acceptable level. Sample items can be selected using random, systematic, or haphazard methods, depending on the sampling approach chosen. The auditor should aim to select a representative sample to avoid bias. Performing audit procedures. Once the sample is selected, the auditor must perform appropriate audit procedures on each item. If the selected item is not applicable, the auditor must test a replacement item. SA 530 provides examples of when and how to perform procedures on replacement items or use suitable alternative procedures in specific situations. Nature and cause of deviations and misstatements. Any deviations or misstatements discovered during the audit must be investigated. The auditor examines the cause and evaluates its impact on the audit purpose and other areas. If common features are found among deviations or misstatements, the auditor may extend procedures to similar items in the population. Recurring or suspicious deviations should be carefully examined as they may indicate fraud. In rare cases, the auditor may encounter an anomaly, a misstatement or deviation not representative of the population. Additional procedures are necessary to determine if it affects the remainder of the population. The auditor must obtain a high degree of certainty in reaching this conclusion. That concludes our summary of Auditing Standard 530, Audit Sampling. We've covered the scope, objectives, sample design, performing audit procedures, and investigating deviations and misstatements. Remember, audit sampling plays a crucial role in providing auditors with a reasonable basis for their conclusions. Thanks for watching.